Hello everyone, this is Harsh and you are watching WPF World. Welcome back to the WPF tutorial series. In today's video, we are diving into one of the code building block of WPF XML. If you are new here, don't forget to watch the previous video where we introduced WPF and got the environment setup up. So first, let's understand what is XML. XML stands for Extensible Application Markup Language. It's a markup language used to design the user interface in WPF applications. XML allows developer and designer to work separately, making the code cleaner and easier to manage. You can think of it as HTML for WPF apps. What is syntax of XML? XML uses XML style syntax. Every UI element is an XML tag. Attributes define properties like height, width, and content. You can also nest elements inside others to create more complex layout. For example, placing a text block inside the grid layout. Now let's understand what is code behind an XML. In WPF, you can write your UI in XML and link it with C# code in what's called the code behind file. This separation of layout and logic improves code organization. XML handles how your app looks and code behind handles how it behaves. You can see here inside the grid I have the text block, so we can nest the controls. Here I have nested the elements. If you see here, this is XML file which is our UI. And this is the syntax for this windows. Like in Windows we have the tag window, or grid layout we have grid tag, or text block we have text block tag. And here also you can see the property height and width. And if you see here, main window.xml.cs, which is code behind file, which extend from the Windows class. And here we have the constructor which will initialize the UI. That's a quick introduction to XML. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends and wait for the next video.